Let's discover the newest Azimut 51 Atlantis in this worldwide premiere here at the Düsseldorf Boat Show. The only open on the market able to offer you, without compromises, incredible internal volumes and great performances. Pace and performances are the key points of this aggressive and sporty yacht, designed by Marco Biaggi and Filippo Salvetti of Neo Design. Displayed at the boat show, you can discover the Patio version, the last version available with a glass door on the main deck between the cockpit and the saloon. The Atlantis 51 has real innovative and breakthrough materials, such as battline for the outdoor fabrics and the E-Tech on the external floors, featuring extreme durability, low maintenance, reliability, and design. The master cabin is located on the bow, full beam, plenty of natural light, and extremely comfortable. The VIP cabin has 2 beds that can be easily converted into a double bed.